Say ya maybe say o she the way the beautiful woman too or no be say they are not confused. Yes, I don't want to believe that.
But do baby girl be say
you she the way how they cast that said there. You see,
I think that maybe I know yake. Mom be able to I say never be push because young football said there. Men kasa play be commit sad. Say nimbo.
Papa I said na kora hokaro.
Because at times we don't understand some things. Like in Europe, if you go to a tournament and these things happen, they don't even complain about this and that. But they understand football.
But we don't?
I think yes.
You think we don't understand football and that's why we bash you when you don't win?
Yeah, I would say yeah. I think.
I had a problem when I said an appearance.
I think guys he was a bit hesitant or hesitating to answer now out there man into all of a sudden now but you see in the first place Yanka say he is a very poor communicator. Said say bonin kasa asem else no a player back want to know akwa kasa at all mining about what happened at Egypt 2019 AFCON. You have to measure your words. Asem bia obeka no e say osusu ye fa now asem be free say one about Ghana's participation in this AFCON, especially when the sports minister called parliament and the expenditure Sika cost spending our tournament now about 10. People do not agree with some of the spendings which impacts the number of Sika winning bonus each player. Abra your 4 matches here winning only 1 game. This is what we are talking about. This is the contest. That's the criticisms of Ghanaians, no? Babia Efri Ebanye. It is not as if this team called the Egypt 2019 AFCON. Ekoya could do final match. And I had like be Omufimu and I Ghana for a Guso Ekasa. In 2015, Ghana tournament. You saw them, they went to the tournament. They didn't win the trophy. Criticisms Ebaye like this one? I don't think so. And Tikwabno Usu, he's a very talented footballer. The first time I know I was satellite team no that Ghana game against Togo at the Baba Sports Stadium, and I'm saying, wow, what a player! Yebekana said, that this is a future for the national team. So after this tournament, Oba Bontina Beka, until someone they did Makasana. They have learned. These are senior players. Omuni mo asimo moka. And to mo san for mo cause that problem nibio. And conquer the source of anger for our Ghanaians. Like what happened in Brazil 2014 World Cup. Enti kwabna usu mibisa moka enti kwabna oko kasampo ye den. Poka tse Ghana for hina se Ghana for nimbo. Because Ghana for a tournament ban ye kasa sika ya ko spend. You think we don't know football in Europe? Na me pese mibisa kwabna ewie. Europe na owo no. Omo ko tournament omo spend in the senate here. So about ball Spain. Answer me. Spanish football national team. So I'm going to tournament. Where does the funding come? This is public knowledge. Omo money dead. Say Sikano bebrena sponsors. Is it the same here? I tournament. Each single penny, every single person is born out of the taxpayer. I am buying Sika. And other than me bisa. Egypt here Sikana Edikopiemu, the 4.5 million Ghana cedis, according to the sports minister, no, able to do a sign any Akasi team generate here from corporate bodies, from sponsorship, from partners. How many? If you go to the website of the GFA, here was sponsors, the partners of the GFA. Sample of Mutimina, how much did they generate from their partners for this air tournament? Taxpayer money. And this Kwabena Kotina television so. Na semi awakwa in fact it is in bad taste. Obaba be obia na nka Ghana for penasem but asemi awakwa kwen bebrena na bubefu no. Yes, obviously. I'm a big fan of him. But
ebi mo say makano kwen. We about
Yeni mo Ghana for the patron. It's not the truth.
Again, na a difficult some mo kwen obi abeba be about the appearance fee. Then you may mention of 80,000. 20,000. So what you say? Nti ono na ye what is can be
You be pass this one, I know they serious way. That is not my case. I know quite my case, cry. But I some okay, so Ojini Sagana for your new football. Anything I caught on a metaparo, Obia Casacas, I said, be a bye by a new shape for football. Giving him a second chance, he man a second chance for I know about Becassa Duma. I'm not sure. So Becassa has some now, kind. But you see, come now, Usu. Say we a footballer. He's a professional footballer. Who say I can or you? I saw Timmy Kasa. So we a professional footballer. Adeba say you grant interviews. You speak to the media. It means when you know one key area, your public relation. How do you relate to the public? Say now Kasa. Adeba a must, and it's non-negotiable by any professional footballer. Because Oya Dieng Obekasa. I remember Ghana you host too the Wafu Cup of Nations Ghana. Then the goal king was a Ghanaian player, Steven Safo of Brekum Chelsea. Sabi Kasa or Kokasa, Brofun Untia Katri. One so more when the interview, no, or be a new ultimate I pre-interview talks with the guy who said Brofun Onte, Emano Koka Brofo Sebi Basa. A Korea, no, never be defended. Say Annie, Brofon and Kasa, and your Kasa Katia. So I didn't know what kind of Friday. I go go and you must say, we are footballers, so Shia Kasa, it is a must. English player called Spain or Shia Casano. We are player who see a kind of France, I am must sell Shia French. Obeko supermarket. Obeko Bontain, you go to public places. You speak to your teammates who are French or Monto Casano. So some of this, a idea, a must say, and you say, Kasa as a professional footballer, especially when you are speaking on a national issue, Usu as a Black Stars player. Silver Sports. I remember that crossbar or hit here. Terrific strike. Or passing my Jordan, and you are probably Jordan was in a better position to score against Air Cameroon, but Usu went for power, and I like that shot from Kobna Usu. The way he rattled the crossbar, or shaky by the sampa, strike and near or bush shot. And it is a quarter and own cap players I said Ghana for Omuyo Mohino. Because blasters there or the players go hard. Omuye play Ghana for baby Moyi. Won't come up, basically what about come. Hey, Ghana for new football and Omokasa. This is a serious statement. Seseno, Asana said, Wakari, what next? What next? This is what I think the player must do. And also the Black Stars in penny for Omoboa Brantero. He should come back again. Issue an apology. Ghana for a child. So some now okay, you know. It was a poor judgment by Onwan Kasa Kwabena Usuno. Maybe an yasa no patre. And I say Emunu Wano. Ababa any bisa the question, the presenter the bisa the question no. Maybe a one year quite unreflective. And to say no quite reflective say ah na me no kwani ni. Asama me koka ye you know. Man can ye. And to Ghana from Franchani. When did he do that interview? Saturday. And then Monday. And now nothing wrong with it. Dabi. I think this is an insult to the whole nation. A country that has won 4 African Cup of Nations. Gone to the FIFA World Cup in 2006, 2010, 2014. She get footballers are Ghana produce. We talk about spectating. I have traveled to some African countries. And meaning the way I'm out for Shebo. And Ghana is the best. If it is not a part of the best, Ghana is the best. And to what even Kasa Ghana for new football. So as I'm not okay and patron, I think Omomla Bontain now Bepa Ghana on the issue about appearance fee. Appearance fee and Konka until you should or answer no or what it is 80,000. So in answering in reacting to those allegations, you know, and I lead to say Obeka the correct figure say yes, Omokoje $20,000 as appearance fee. So the Tintin and say Kwabena Usu is a fine footballer. I like him. I like his quality. Ne play, ne born, ne talent, ne kitano no. But then this is one of the poorest speakers publicly. A player. Dabi and Kasa. Now what you say Europe for? Omo Kasa say. Dabi. I said no problem. Who don't make a Dabi? You want a second chance? You know me.
That's all the champ from me.
Kin nyame share so.
Yentiwe.
Na kin penfo baby won say din komo na one kasa sometimes we kasa o idea so what that ye dim komo bi na o se komo ne ko so outwe din na bo trinko ye we ni esam de sabe wan Kenya nsasam a wa wan kasa ye mfa won ka ho so who sa de na o be ka no sabe boa wa kwanu tum and advisors of coach Akwesi Appiah ya de pa advisors of the Dayu, advisors of Obi Thomas Taylor Party, even as Samuel Jan, the core people, could just someone on my idea. Pa was if you have one, because Sapi and Kasai and Ken, the Papa Kupa Ghana for and I know some bit of coach Akwesi Appiah. And a bomb to the first opinion, Coppersunani baby share, and I be Kumasi, baby Titana and cry baby Titan on my idea. Because coach Akwesi Appiah nya bien and we say Kim the obe can bian it will be scrutinized. So Thomas Taylor Party won some kakra by about that sexual scandal allegation. Party Kasai. O call it Twitter no I trying to picture no a girl Instagram no me da only obi ani nkomo bia. E bro so akwa any preseason because duties of a national team player interview after a tournament ain't come. Duties of a Black Stars coach interview after the national tournament in Kano. Yen tron she baby say football tournament ni wi a ye ba organize a press conference how ma be you ano e dey man send for to append baby atra the day you wi a no ka so we sorry we wi Asamoah Jana only the day you issue of we were camp Jan ba no ko share ne soro ho no only obi ani asem e na oye ne enjoyment press Anthony na sia na oni nkomo bi adi. The same thing as Kwaja Samoa. Because Kwaja Suki mu bi nya na baby san nsem pa. Because Antonio Conte team no kwakobo internet 3 back na left wing back na no bebo. Ti nya na baby san questions. But also sensibly quietly. Akana watu. Enti de kin yese se wan kasa obi no ho asem ka. Oni sai ze kesi amote we. Se nya se eye nhye. Se so bebu akonta ma Ghana for pa. Come kasa. I'm telling you, can you keep quiet? Ghana for so they see a Canada say, and 10 year refi as a mere refi. Man, go a friend ready. But I know the end shake a crowd. Silver Sports. You say you hunting. Opo, and so Bobu a contact Ghana for. You know, kick mathematics be boom, and within some few hours, what the baby and you should not call you. So honestly speaking, again, as you grow in your football career, you move from the level of an amateur football to a professional footballer. And can you grow the level of a professional footballer? You need professionals around you. This particular interview by Kwabena Owusu was needless. I found Faswobia and Brown one can carry as a footballer.
Because
it can interview in any baby or coach.
Or come across Ghana for
Nebanos.
Sir, Oma, you see.
Nebanos. But the American can you 20. The American can say. Say over cotton or cock this outcome in Faswobia is so the mount. As a player, I won't add anything to your image. Because can you in a crisis? And to a beer of value. I saw beer before I call hunting now in your boy Bianchi. Over fun anymore, but two. That is the situation that we are in. Questions are Ghana for Swagua. I won't pay any member of the Black Stars team. Maybe some next questions get to from Kofi Amwa to Danko Kuyabwa. Normalization for the sports minister, the technical team, the playing body. Ghana for was same because this was a project I want penalty to us a quarter but I am was here. So we have questions. And two team back. Power baby time. Over in the starting league. I brought your leagues here about the start. One look for some bobo. When you be any asset, what are you brothers now? The team said Jordan, you are signing a contract. We're granted mandatory interview with Crystal Palace. And Crystal Palace won't come over here. We are on the ball. So honestly speaking, so when you player now do level beer, sometimes you cannot invest it in the right people or right advice. Because if you had a professional PR manager, at the moment when you had that invitation to the show about advice, he said, don't go.
To how many be?
Ken only be
Ken
only be
our industry.
only professional media, only professional PR manager. Because Koba I said don't go.
Our friends.
Ken, how many times na program here? Your friend penning phobia about issue go back to myself. Media meeting come once. Several times. You will get them, and this is not a recorded show, a live show. On the Kenya recorded show, no live show. Recorded show, the way to me para record it. No way, what? Oh, Mr. American, we will you free. But live show, the episode will come on that show. I just a host in the panel. Let's go for a commercial break. And within a live show, you are tempted to make errors. Can you quite so hand on Kokasa? Tell fear. Because one can say, Babu Nansa for you, and Kenyan's a funny Babu Afra. But it could be one on in some of our Kenya, about the Tokat also, and Yashini. Me, the issue one, they say, there's this attitude of indiscipline in the Blast Stars players. Yes. Me who say, and Yasama, if a Yasa common woman a piano, something deep in the heart. I can even go to the extent of saying, say, a general conversation, a general perception, a dog with Trima, or what would you come up?
And yeah, often say, you didn't throw gum so. You try and throw gum so, and kind of create $80,000 appearance fee. And yeah, $80,000. I'll be on my $80,000. $20,000 no money. And it's possible. Say, yeah, maybe as some now can I can do 80,000 appearance fee. No, better than one. Better than be on 80,000 or decided somebody be more. And more Bianca say, how much when I say 60 in the Kobe.
Can maybe discipline on a make canning about 80,000 or no. Honey, 80,000, 20,000, yes, see a mass and you're a banner. But maybe the comment say, Ghana for new bone. Ken, first of all,
so you have to trouble for one.
Ken, I see a real man. How many times are Real Madrid fans? A book, Cristiano Ronaldo. Time I know Bobo my Real Madrid. On one can say who no Pakistan. How many times Nenya United fans are? Number Constance. Number 2 number team. Nenya more the banners in I question the tactics of a coach.
Silver Sports.
So if you are talking about fans reacting to the performance of their various clubs, can Ghana pay the check? You know, supporters of some of the players as well. Some teams go to the stand of beefing up security. You have the emphasis of Ghana crying in him. She there 2 DR Congo. I'm a sports minister. A broker do Krumon. A man in a Bono airport. This is DR Congo. But they felt that the level of DR Congo, and the price of my midterm Madagascar and a year free. Round of 16. See, a yard young poor boy. You love one pro Madagascar, so the sports minister in charge. Our more assurance before they went to the tournament. I don't know what some country come against them. So, can what do you compare Europe? My question is, how many times na Brazil national team ne bobo? Now Brazil fans they question the style of play of the Brazilian players. I can come against the coach and so on. After some Marco Stadium, and your mom more bonting. So if you are bringing in the issue of fans criticizing their players, and you Ghana and Kwani all supporters, and I say, what Exitafua, I'm come imagine playing body in the coaches. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. What can I will set here? Oh, yeah. I'm with the coaches at them, I'm with the administrators at them, I'm with the players at them. It's all over. So honestly speaking, it's a clear act of disrespect and indiscipline in the heart of Ghanaian players. I didn't be idea to me say, as a way mama kasako, sebi, Nancy be any of kasano. You can see it cutting across the players. Until one in the year, I said them nipana tikruman. Yes, and I'm fan my because of the same and pennyphone catcher on. Any idea cost a bro Musiano Mujom coma. So me that is my biggest worry about play an interview with appearance with the end. Now go upon the chest, or your 1 4. A call fast in a Juma Dawson. Be a kind to be a coin. With me, brought for by now on general. Guess I'll share Ghana off budget. You see? Maybe I know how appearance you want. Budget no one. Budget no a torture, yeah. Or when you find Isaac Siama Billy chain. Or let's stay, Bibia. from airfare to per diem to winning bonus. Ken, there is difference between winning bonus and appearance fee. And can appearance fee at them and ranting. Okay. Come on, so much $20,000 US. So multiply by the 23. I'm over $420,000 US. So what's your Ghana budget now? Your baby a visa fee $8,000 US here, the bishop. So if $20,000 US coin, and my 23 players are is bigger than the visa fee.
There's a budget.
It is all classified.
$5 million.
Okay, yes.
You're aware 4.5.
Yes, coaches in buy. Additional technical team in buy. So all classify now. You have a place to classify it.
Maybe a sponsorship will be CKB, no, with the more. If you have FIFA CKB, have a normalization committee, you know. But you may decide, okay, yes, you're doing it. We are buying it. Yes, you have a mom baby.
Okay. Sir, you can say budget. Now, show the Isaac Siama be reading here. Difference from power. Because the Siama the end expenditure. Two things. So in this case, did we spend on appearance fee or not? We did. You spend this our appearance fee. It's our classified expenditure. Of course, when Blaster score AFCON 2019 now, it deserves a place in the list. Because indeed,
ABA direct from the government. ABA not buying the obey.
Ken,
ABA we know and not buying it.
Ken, nobody will question that. But this is how it is. Opinion ni bebu akonta den sakai. Enti se ebia akonta ni bi wo ana sika bi spend ye. Aye se efiri ankran bi ho. Ana se efiri NC no ha. Don't you think they deserve a credit in this particular mention?
Oh, okay.
You shall the you. What the kind of a sika or man spending? And one key thing when people in power, you owe to the public in air transparency. Some man you wonder how pefe Ediama Ghana for. And I said Yama Nipa or some and as a wood yomoson. So if indeed someone contributed to the Blasters expenditure of why this camera here, until this say except I say oh bobo sika expendi ya odeni the ever show say where they expendi. Nemo ankran where this kind of brain for the issue of trust and transparency for Nippon this kind of brain. Say NC ni put the quotem skaba impa. Won't you say they deserve a mention? Say NC ni pono any gun any FIFA skabi and outside the cap sikabi and be share mum ye the tier players na appearance fee nti ebia Ghana call off for the tier appearance fee nemom and no dey dey free aban ho. When you say Ghana for akuma club na to me so oh and here for once there ebia can cry air bono and you may be or ha buy me free because we can therefore conclude among be defend the man. Ebet me defend so appearance fee on the bar castle tia. It's yes na the copay skapu tia. Don't you think bibi sa bet me akos? Openyin op credit bebrebe apẹ kwan charge no konfa no meka. Because oh, if you supporters no credit oboko ekwa skeri we okra nya ban sika o sanya amanfo ka no. Ankran na dey buy, NC na dey buy. Because the be defend no because o tire say o den sesa aba wan bo man ni kantia mbo na ba so o den sesa aba. So if appearance fee was indeed not from the government and Quebec, and one candidate, it was an expenditure course and you come to find this kind of young farmer Nipa 23. And to say where is it in this particular budget? And as a expenditure list, or the young farm to change your budget, expenditure list and where it cannot be a trap then. I shall say, Isaac Siama Bekan. I'll conclude say yes, opinion na kasa. Parliament were young penny from Mabaso. But no trying them no share some opinion kaya. Obetine sisu dia say 4 matches you spend say dia and 1.7 no kasa exercise na throne. That person can once again get more evidence to back that belief say throne and penny for be with regards to the budget. And can everything I as I know kasa this out there say where is the breakdown? Why? Because Ken, say I'm fan so the say winning bonus mpa. Say can be breaking it down na the best appearance fee. But as of now, you say player be at $42,000 as winning bonus. Sam ye who no. One children because all this cannot to say scare them out place for winning bonus. You didn't say players here 2030 at him any amount. So honestly speaking, Ken, if we push and push and push breakdown and Nadia penny for me to the abre da.
So now, based on the player, and the other kind of say every single player getting $62,000.
Yes, fine, because I mean, winning bonus 42.
Even the appearance fee, you're trying to say.
Yes.
Per diem income.
Per diem winning bonus 42. So I know what they are trained because players here 23. Winning bonus near figure say divided by 23, 42,000. And also munya appearance fee of $20,000
So appearance fee.
It's the other count.
Ever saw coach and so double.
Obenyabi.
There be
Technical team benya appearance fee.
Matthias and but almost the double.
Of course, that is the principle. To quote a question, Piamo so dear. And I say
about appearance fee. Coaches in the but say if you winning bonus double my coach, appearance fee is one of which you
everything extra. You get extra. And again, once again, we can go ahead and say, send you pay them additional technical staff. Now we need bonus additional technical staff. As and now, there's contradictory report here, but I said, so additional technical staff, it was on contract basis. You almost sign a contract. So, I was say, you must say. It is issue about winning bonus was not so much part of contract. I would do any those additional technical staff in sign, but I remember dear, dead look rebel. It's my point is look
fancy on
Ebia Ken, over said the beer can. But me one thing you say, look at all the big institutions. Anna Ewuyase. It started from a point. Nipa bi na started. No more ka, no more ka, no more ka. And it started to develop extra believers. Yenya nipa bi mo mbeka mo gi nsama na nipa ko ne kan eduru ba bi no na ahoɔden na bro the existing institution so as edwurugu corrupt practices in Ghana enya de be endene but the American say we will keep on saying it so the institution will break down completely. Yemeka completely sports ministry because yeah sports it's a great ko bi akwa di fertilizer sika ampretu metra so beka health obi ambulance ka contract akodi ombeka but yeah sports industry dey so betina ya abo man say ye beka ka se kotko dey ba na ye ka kotko dey kra dey bu okra ye ntwes ka ni bi mo so ye ka so if o man dey ya je me no wusika dey ye ne dey and that dey akini ye beja kanda we will hit
a champion
till it will break down
obed no Maswell boko there
King, I'm out of Bibia, fine.
Maswell and Asia
King, Eben.
Maswell and Asia
King.
over the Nyapre.
Yeah, a neighbor said. But Eddie and one year, since my name fire. King, may share a debut, I say. Now, may hear sports ministry in Ankasa saying no, near my eno, it's a the army who in it say. In 1957, I got independence, and a sports ministry, no, at the boss. Now, about 2005, no, His Excellency, Mr. President, 4 years, obeying or the education count, never Ministry of Youth Sports, Ministry of Education and Sports. Because the same car, a background was in said national teams in the crime, can Kualana, a board junior national teams, a one co school now, and Kaya Mount Mobile. So it was a very good idea because all call US here as a part of their lake system from the youth level, no, as a back through the colleges. But no, Amfa and Koguye. It's in 2009, and His Excellency, the late Prof, also being youth and sports. But no, the reason is that now where all the Commonwealth nations, I saw a minor England for a ruler mona, not Sano Munin economy corner that line. And the ambassador is a ministry, no, ye quay can aya it may change it change. Bemom their issue in it. From 1978, about 41 years in the king, you got 27 ministers. Ewo Hong Kong.
1978.
From 1978.
Yeah, so 41 years.
Yeah, 41 years.
41 years.
Yeah, you got 27
ministers.
Ewo Hong Kong. Okay. It is a Uchemwa. Next from 1978 to Eba. Minister Biadi 1.5 years. Ewo. Your friend's office. That's what I'm saying. Because I have 41 years, not 27 minutes, and that's at least 1.5. That's where we're in it. Into a whole frequent changes, no king, and yen na adding there. Meba. And I'm chamber the Fourth Republic. Also, free 93, 92, a draft constitution to Aban. 7 January 93. And a constitution started saying it take effect. it is a odi be see imrea ye we a the Fourth Republic na 27 years ni aye to abama it was a republic in beba e bia ban no ho ne constitution for ba then you start a republic. It is a constitution for be a man we are never quite to the end of the world. They bear the Fourth Republic. But it be a Fourth Republic. First term, we second time. It's a BB banner constitution for Badia. Let's say I call the Fifth Republic. That is my little knowledge, of course. Ain't over the Fourth Republic now 27 years in a yedi. Kenya 19 ministers. And one has some name. And over 19 minutes next Obian Subedi 1 year 4 months. I will check years in the ministers, but as a minister be at 1 year 4 months our office. Now can hold cry there I want to say Honorable E.T. Mensah Nkwa 8 years. Only Obi a watch pa 8. From 1993 to 2000 because 1993 na Lieutenant General Arnold Kwenu and then the first. And I'm Mr. E.T. Mensah Ebabeyi no. It's 93 to 2001 no. Mr. E.T. Mensah na the sports minister. Ken, it is a what Mr. Mensah the any free man 8 years. What free 27 years ma? So when you're 19 years. It is the 19 years now can 18 ministers na ba. And so 18 minutes and let us will be about the 1 year 2.5 months. Ken what does it? We Mr. E.T. Mensah the any free man. Let's say 19 ministers now can 18 ministers in 90 years. It will be at the 1 year 2.5 months. The most.
Since Mr. E.T. Mensah feel.
Yeah.
E.T. Mensah time there.
Or no, but from 93 to 2001 with the 8 years.
From 2001 how many ministers?
Yeah, from 2001 no. 18 ministers.
18 sports ministers.
Yeah.
From 2001 to
18 sports
18 sports ministers.
Yeah, around 18 years. In the emphasis
18 months are quite
only the 8.
The 8.
It is a war when year part technical and they say 18 and there's a 1 minister per year and to make 1.2.5 months can be different 1 minister per your friends say a year in that ministry after Mr. E.T. Mensah. And at the end one cry but is good. Okay, Papa Usankuma. About August, no free October 2001. And now Papa Bakona oh remember sorry kind of many abri. Andy Kasemi them say yeah change it 2 months. Alaji Isa if me a writer. On also by February na Malam Isa or by February ye in a match. So also the 1 month to it came the issue is say and then as our ministry frequent changes next as our bind bia bang na any solution to that and that's our ministry no problem or came in so only me adrian because him says so be stay baby child or your experience na to me move forward into na wo hwe Mr. E.T. Mensah e wo mse nyoma bi wo ho ye ya na ye criticize but so what na say parking oh share Ghana soccer the level we went E.T. Mensah is one of the best if not the best under the Fourth Republic no doubt about that because oh share the under 17 40 year corner oh share Ghana boss and na Ghana league air call has for Pejabi Kotoko Pejabi ko Africa he's among the best really in nyoma bi wo ho na ye can emfa because I say ye bot tournament na minister ye drew final no wakobi ni ye share Ghana now kasa ono na dey bad luck I no emfa because you can't say His Excellency Nana call ye ni Benin inti ni ye wini emfa inti no sa na emfa but emom yo yi nanim say chenchena me was a team we me yo we abo team we and ye but all her success for the nation with the trophies ye nya the back club level near there said the last time 2001 I think Hearts won the Champions League in 2000 so he won it for us he also won the Super Cup and the national youth level titles here J 93 Eba and 95 year final near the Eba King he did a great job 92
and then Mr. E.T. Mensah from 2001 2002 now within that period and you have 18 sports
yeah 18 in 18 years exactly
in 18 years
it's 1 minister per year
that's a honor and what question coaching department
seriously
oh yeah probably more chain coaches
yeah first and where she and the coaches now can ya permanent what has been the results and the benefit they nil until also you nil it's a bind bia obeba with this no man ni nko ni emfo bi o ye competent e che say nipa bebre na ye di omko ho no mu aduma no mu ntumi nye Case what you say because obi ye adwuma ni ya either so bet na wa cha ye anasa wu yi ni kura na bi adwuma bi obetuma ye ni ye better ntina ode na ekọ ba oba no wa no na che so mo ye de ko hye ho no omu nim ho nim de it is true now king then a man e ba se America crane obi aba ho a ekwan ofa so ekọ no ni nyina ya the same ekwan meaning so who said ya the same ye be ko tournament aba na ska bi wura ha ye ko Brazil ye de Ghana for a film ni esre flies ka ye ko ha ya ko ye we ya draw budget so so tournament ye ko ye den de ye nie enya ministers na ye problem no ken Ghana ni bia antie ni ye it is not the ministers who are the problem but emom ono na yeso odi ani mokoye nti omo na be target ken what masem na make na
so the system
yeah the system na sa na ya shem for example NDC ni ba ko na friend say they are den court na I don't go focus on the tina na nsa ba nu fa sa de na so mujai de om afi ya ankra de court castle ken how can honorable afi ya ankra so no kra na draw budget na obetu ne nsa akoto on my confess say wakoyi ska okospe ni aba sa na working for instance even yanteji na draw budget na obetu ne nsa akobọ Ghana sikem say okay me ne yanteji FA president as a mini minister free and anti Ghana sika me na me minister budget we na me de ko makoyi me ko Ghana me kodi de ebeka me de beba sa na yenya ne sa eye from the president from the top to the bottom omu nyina agitum any cabinet. It's the question I miss Bisa said, then the C cabinet ne your president never knew you or more banging now quite say, ombre protect you with a system they say, one a party as him. It is a tournament now the MPP and NDC for qua a bro minister no so. A ye free throw your tea a kunyakesi no so basic party 99 a fast plan say and yes sir. Said a party ni Beckham. Bebrena bo munim so mo nyere. Enti born the passion of the nation. And then the same attention on my ball. Or my boxing and athletics na kakra. Even the boxing crowd my world champions. Ghana yenya kwa nya 7 the whole world. Yeah, champions are be 9. But hon form. Come on say born the passion of the nation. Ebi no so okro mo nya popular. But mu ra ball no ma be popular na so mo tumi de be nya position. It can a system of my draw. It's one minister no ba wo dia no say wo ka ho tu be di anim na wa execute. Nemo mu kwa execute a wo na Ghana fo hu nti problem ba wo na ese wo ko gina no ken enunti na e man panimfo ne mpanimfo mu di ma na se ministers no ko yese ba mu ntumi nsake obi a you understand because a minister na ya nka me sake because I say ken me no ye adwuma na makodi company sika ye adwuma na matter me di company sika what will be your reaction? You just sack me. I be cry around over me atu. Na ma coffee scan the aba. But say dey bia me di company sika no we the won carry ne yet. Wana so we bi. Enti yes a Ghana 40 as a system I built this since 92. Because ken dey ma me ye we say ye hu ba bia problem ni free ba ye ntumi solve that dey bia be kwa ba betna.
So own is any ministry.
Any ministers no na problem.
Just said bia say ye koba na kopa ministers na minister no kwa. I just say and solve your problems.
Yeah, and solve it.
System no dey that.
Yes.
Ti wo ba bia follow.
Good. Ade na ye pam ba ko. Say oh why you say 77 prayers I can. Ministers near form about 77 prayers or my being edum. 77 prayers or my being edum. When who say into obi abe and the system government ne machinery na for me. Be ba wo minister na so we the ukojina. Enti no muntu me mpanish o. Enti the best is okay me you we free akwasha. Say so we minister wo use sika. Because you want to cause a problem. It is a be mass here too. It was a system na Ghana for sorry rise it again because it doesn't make no sense and I make no. So we bought on me 4.5 million now the 6.3 million budget there. So me a president na minister how decide we ba dey me you ready. No because I just said to me M1. It can that has been the system because enye san can say ministers upon ministers upon ministers upon ministers. Na sa neighbor. Ade na Mr. ET men's that me di 8 years. Na 8 years no yenya unparalleled successes. It might be say be a papa no me feeling no and obi feeling nya na issue. Let's look at what he did and what Ghana won. Enyoma bi wa me catch say na teams no ye na me peba impo ono kura ne yesi the all your favorite teams ni bi no na Ghana ball local kura na no den national team ni e kwa no den locally na no den then na papa ni here and that man is still in this country while this mess is going on. No, it's what we need to do is say it is not about MPP NDC. The moment yes I am baby, it's about a Ghanaian or you're competent. You bet me agene. Ken so what I say near ya ye Ken the last way I plan say 1 minute.
Okay.
1 minute. Ma me chan me ne menu anom na enya adwen ne me ne omo nya adwen ne. The entire me nya say yes asem omo kan nim omo point ba. But emom the entire me so me fan different direction ne say akola na kan okore.
Say ni bomb na waka.
Yenim bomb man ke da so say di bomb ho adodo. Yenim bomb man ke kwa ye nje ka mi akokwa ka bu. Yenim bomb man ke the budget e bro the ye kwaje de ko. Yenim bomb man kan na ye place Ghana place ye to mo sen wa ha. $15. Yenim bomb one. Kin yenim bomb one kan the ball ye ball Ghana nyina na bribe na aba. Say yenim bomb one and can referee Jim Ponche. Say Ghana yenim bomb one kan ye ball ne Kenya money ade ball nyina e kosoro say. Is the ball now yenim mo ene dey. Mema ye na ada ye ho. So oka say Ghana ni bomb man say Ghana ni bia ni bomb no. Ya you wa ha ye for yenim bomb pa. Ba ye sen. It enko ba so man ni no bia ni bomb. Ba say yenim bomb dia. Ade na ba bia na tete ye ball no na ye sen ne. Si yenim mo a. Jamaica fo ni America mu no. Eno mo America ni ye sen tete no. America fo ken omunim enwum mu no. Eno omonyom no eso se tete no. Ene ye kasa wonti ye nimu ena scanner osan aka no. Akola ne nyame be hira no. Nyame be hira ne papa because amaga we bie ye ni. Also omoji 20,000 ke mebo a. Enti we kura na esi ye di hwehwem. Abaga na for se we de yeah, some na minister be kind. Obi e bi abobo. We see enokre, we see enye nokre. Evidence we say sa na omoka. Ebi ho bi ko bi say evidence na so sorry ya. Asem bai. And I plan to say, yeah, 20 na kenti o. One mama 20,000. Mete wo kro me say, kina mama to 80,000, kina mama to 80,000. Na say clearly scout mama 20. Then back as oh, kina mama ska. Name on scout mama nye 80 20. Na say kin ubufu a. Nya wotre. Na say ubufu a. Na say it's our plan catch so omoji 20. It's way there. Sir parliament minister, yes minister on be budget no. It's ye be mba no be ki say 20. It's your breakfast papa. Akulesi 20, 20 and 80. You make say 8 and is who chantron, who twin chantron 30 million people. They say you 20. Me bona baso papa. Na yes akula we comment no. Ono bobo abroche that's why mob blaster say odo blaster si kan here. But enko ba se ne ho be obi a no obeka no kra ne ho be kire ne sa obenya team abo wa ya de papa
wow. And they found your brain.
The context of the statement ne Ghana phone nimbo it is because after the tournament obi e kasa na se mo kan no that is the context or picking Europe and of the example say in Europe it is not like that okay emrofu a way almost to show almost displeasure to their national team because the Hokwen be into two. In Europe, it is either they use the social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Na national team ne bobo na anko yi omo de aka omo nsam de atre players no. Ana say omo national team ne bo match omo be ko stadium akokru players no. Nti the two examples enche kwa metim di ama. Hey, after the 2014 World Cup in Brazil, England a group of Costa Rica, Uruguay, and Italy. Upon the number of players, the hype around those players, somebody called tournament no man qualify no. England first match at home, Wembley. Supporters now no more coin, Omunyan to who plays very, very well on the field of play. O touch a ball who, o touch a ball who. If it's all mine, omudi mo ko Brazil mo ko gu o man ni massive. And for close to 26 years, England team know the semi-finals of a tournament. It's in the home, 2014 they come baby. Into man team no. Omo exercise, omo displeasure at the stadium. And omo dealing with radio. And talk sports. And alarm breakfast. No, it is about the social media or mobile stadium. No, my best express or more displeasure to the national team. Or move who or more. And my England for now who said, at least supporters not let's do or more to call brother, no more do on a young moya. Tama Gian Piero Ventura. Supporters make out on father is saying in Remo on Fanama again. So they in Italy. Obia who are. Omu coach in the national team Nankasa. After Italy failed to qualify for the World Cup for the first time in 60 years. Omu kama. Catch the style in Europe. A honey radio. And ya hono mo kwako kikansem. And ya radio kiss mu na omu kwako kikansem. No. Omu dia ne die. Ken omu obi so omu kotokuom. Unemployment then to say Ghana dia no. E ho yon tonya ma traffic ase. Until they will come to stadium pay and then express their displeasure on the field of play to the players and in pennyful am be ba be bigina. Me nko sara American because omo de e ya na ho kire ni bi wo hot say ha. Nti se kobna usuwa pick European countries are. Ken masema American say komna Europe where wo ho pa. Time and again, they express their displeasure to their national team when they are underperforming. In Europe, it's okay. But the difference is that, had it a radio now. Any TV now, the boy players and any national team that it's ball of the Ghana phone, you papa. Ye nimu papa say so be in bomb there. Ghana ni be any bomb. Ubeti like I say Ghana phone now your coaches. Country bia omuya born and bred of football bia obia your coach go to Brazil and go to Argentina obia ni bom udi mba onso ni hwe obia ni mu enti Ghana ha de ken players ne ko na anko ya Ghana for da ho kire ni hia ene koma ide te ha no obia ntimi nkana ntum ye be ko so abo machi aba kopim said the right thing na mo beye no wo Ghana ha enti ko abna Europe na o de ba be toto ha na Europe no e mo ye worse. So boy, chile papa. But the difference once again is that I want to wahano. Ebi ni Italy, ebi ni England. Ya had a king. I want to papa. Until one team for had the name to but say Ghana phone him bomb there. That is understatement and that is an unfortunate comment from the guy. Ghana phone him bomb papa. What's your boom feature no ya analysis chilewa. Woke up now to the crowd be on. Be who say nipa no nimbo mu worker. Enti se mako baba na nko ya we've seen quality. Yeah, Ghana for a ball papa, have a players papa and them fitri. They've seen some they've seen Tony Yeboah, they've seen Abedi Pele. Top notch quality players and the likes. The Baba Arasdo, the Kofi, the Malik Jabez, the Mohamed Polos. Omo who players omo ball born omo bad. Who say yes in fact. Omo exhibit a kind of quality on the field of play. And yeah, any give this out, no be out from good Jimmy. Into Corona, Ghana for the entity or Mocasa Naya, which they don't know much a ball of Papa Pen. Or much a ball of Papa, players are Papa. And ye be Mudia, Mutim Mukra Mubobia, Yabaha, Musi, from Munsiapa came. Into Ghana phone in bomb, Ghana phone in bomb, Papa, or Munimu. Into Massa, don't compare what is in Europe to Ghana. Say Europe with the Okobobo and as a Uluswa. Tomatoes or media bunker for Napoli, the Nasan Ketwa. Argentina for World Cup, your Muso Mago Monimas, the Christian Papa on Quantana playing call. Only Nako and combat Argentina for Nenka. Unibom with Argentina. Brazil for Quacobo after the World Cup, Omuko training for the Copa America or Gonja Comeri said their supporters need to who one son or more 80 I can't turn down. And they are prepared for Copa America, push your mom with the Korean. Unibom with Brazil for. Criticism with your baby, it is all over. Baby, Germany for Mesito, the international to occupy baby tonight. And your man could ya or buy ya or better to papas and case who they are told. Germany for young to was yes in Konya, fire very, very well. Ozil has done it for them after winning the World Cup in 1990. No money video. For 24 years, he was part of the team that won the World Cup in Brazil. Oman Chelsea Ozil Moka. Their campaigns, and he was one player who was my career in changing their philosophy in the final third of play. Oman for till one chenokra. Oman to be man in the camera, and they hugely criticize the mindset. Oman has Oman the World Cup Marco for. ko ho ye ball na nkura nse bia ne didie bia nim nti omo kura predict ye na ba mu nso si ye beba ntem no ke omo predict ma ne ba mu nti kwabna usu Ghana fo nim bom now to the other side of the coin ke $20,000 now dey what can dey Ghana fo pasem pensem ti o ma so nsem omo pati ni bini one ye come World Cup 2014 by and among for raising concerns about appearance fee and the performance after the World Cup. Now the day you back at so mo ya adwuma. Obian challenge say omo nya adwuma but playing for the national team dey any wadwuma. Wadwuma no ye Crystal Palace ne Swansea ne Fenerbahce. O ye Bema ho anu akopra katua ntum. Na ye players ni ntimi play di ho. Ko na no be kan waka so akatua wa. Say 7,500 euro a week. Again, I will fem papa right for the more and I'm 250. The home year England form bomber to room nabuno from the charity. So that is where they are working. Until the Debacate Ghana force they are working Ghana for bufu pa. And the game against Uganda wa Kumate for uncle. Mama uncle cry. Emma penning 4 years said I be yes, so work up qualify and I said yeah, I'm the Beko Tamad. It was because of Asema the day you cry. Until after the tournament, Ghana for you now buffui. Said the day you are, oh, we are deputy captain of Becasa Matreno. As same thing, Ghana for buffui. Now, you was situation, baby. The Kai will interview and maybe we are president or Casa and Chrome had your cake. Young Tenant said you did that had no beer cramp at all, but Yasema or kind. Mekai after 2017 World Cup, President Cosinante again, new interview on OKFM. And profobu full brutal. Na performance nenye. But say we din ya obi anka hwe. But almost had the job gum flemu jana. Na mo obi abuafu. Onabo asiama di obeye ne na no te etu akoma. Ke etu akoma kra. So ha ho kira ya team. Na sika bu akonta ye nsi so o sese a na nkonta na e basa o yusu Patagonia theory mkra mfa. Nti no so asa be bu Ghana for kraba mte blaster ne de afi de o matiana na ko bla usu asa be catch ne si yenim bom nti ken ka o ma boy na ka atato na de be ma Ghana for na so de kakra ne se sika na opaniri be two dam first of all appearance fi amem nti na speculations o mo di yeta na o mo di fota na in fact madam fu bi o call tournament we ka 27 na ono no dia mama nyina ni say o ka minister sem crofo no ho o defender ono so o defend minister to o ka 27 no kan man fama gina ama no ko na mi ze ba bia na esi no e ho no o sa den kwan na we de kan obi sitrodo ma toa ono an kasa ba be sitrodo no o say $20,000 which is equivalent to 1 billion e wo ye yisi kai mu ye bold this all the kineben o ko tournament dia 1 billion Ghana mo ken ya bold kwa your name ya bold say ko bobo ma Ghana no ken me am 1 billion we krom ha chai I'm disappointed ken I'm very very disappointed and this is the first time I hear Tioska appearance fee for AFCON until you hear play all the empanimfo a omonso ka ho nyina bomu a player bia 1 billion until the technical bench ne ka ho additional for ne mai 27 billion just because you are bolding ke Ghana de ye wo kwa pa na ye man be ka say ya ne be ka 27 billion people are still schooled under trees I'm not did coining in afa na Ghana nko na kwani tutu ano masa ba ye bumping wo mi hu bi da and tutu na won't mean co speed no masa be speed rams o go book room estate abu be dress go quarter for abu ho Ghana no that is Ghana makase remove your political lens and think about the country and kasa wo MPP ni ana NDC ni hwoma na wotim no say all is well the entire pam profofi kwa ho a edu lessons ana masa ba won't mean pam no wo pam mo beto atia wo amochira ni more and we are spending so much with this place. Mobi, and it was an evidence at the tournament. Fitness to cry yourself. We are spending so much. See a blaster players we pay as a combo. You man 1 billion as an appearance with Tomo. Yeah, the local players go. ye the foreign co ye the division co ye nkonkoje because o man
mama yeah Jordan are you say someone they call 70,000 pounds a week.
Yes.
And 70 because me who the name in Wakakra.
Yeah.
Crystal Palace now is on Mutriapa. And Jordan Moro Bibri or Morosu Bibri. So what I say it was initially, you know, by now or more 35. So what I said about more permanent deal, more than a cost 70. So we share just the outcome because still many or more to say outcome in a man when side deal. The loan deal no, it's not just one go. Before about Conabon or Mobi or Crystal Palace. But we can say 3 matches be a bomber Ghana and our born and our Obana. And there's a horse in your GDA. And we share deal no more German and I just saw boy when yes can be a day. Oh, but in the scanner when you're in the moment, yeah, on the Maya one. So players and other no more say even national team Jesse Nankasangasa. It me more contract, it me more on your scan.
yeah one
Because you're no, it's the only player who are benefiting. Your players and so far, no, through the Nations Cup, saying any performance, Caribbean can never kind of brother no war. I guess Swansea. And so championship, no. But because of ball now, your boy, 3 matches, so 4 matches now, your boy, no. But stay in the Premier League.
okay one it is the orientation of Ghanaian players.
Orientation, one of the more.
Okay.
Because all national team, no man, why they want to say Uber be drew. The orientation, do family. Some national team, no born now, or Baba Bon, there's a national team. National team, your mom fan pay sika. National team, no more opportunities. And there be America. Your players, and one day team ball players on my bubble house for the past 15 years. When you look at him, you look at your boy about Ghana.
No,
the best player. League and I book woman. Or more most to me ball league and ball no crewman, you know, most of the no. Or man for baby, but more far into allies. I know who says no be animal. About teams in this way.
Accra SC boy.
Accra, how many Ghanaians and team from what you see? But on one cocoa fab blaster, later on mobile blasters. The dam will be or her, as a Wajan Boka Krabi, is in a movie, Suli Boka Krabi, a lot of players. Even John Manson and Kakra on ice good. But now on the best defender organ. Oh, you're leaking. It is a work of more talk about the side problems in the Brabant Sikasena. And you're more born a book crewman. No, mom, you will say, we move to say, oh, stadium, oh, great player, we send you which are still among there, Signal Drew money, you know. I mean, I can't crewman.
Okay, one. I was talking about orientation. And 2. You're 2 seniors who are on chatting here. All those players that you're talking about play for Liberty. Indeed. Penina no first no was like Tete, Hobekabru, CCA, the connections were there. And the Kawa Betan or see who Mendes who won the agency now opportunity can see amount. Into your Penina's connections. A Puchi Kwajasamoa, Baby Jet, Sudali Montari, John Pencil. At least I've mentioned 4 Liberty players on making up there in the waves. Talk about the orientation. Ken, let me use Brazil for example. So I call Brazil, Omo baby, Omaji national team, Omfro de Gonja Comero. What they do is that the flow national team now bar. Omo museum ho. And Ken, Makasim we are to Kotokone heart for no Munti. Museum no the Omo de Oko. We a Belani. In 1970 years you woke up on and a boy 5. In 1958 year woke up and I for the first one and a boy 5. This is Romario. This is Felix. This is Yazino. Where ye Tostao. Where ye Pele. Inti Ken omo be mad orientation one who say we mono obu okra na Ken team one perform well. Romario he played for Barcelona. But Ken how many years in Barcelona? But because of the 94 World Cup, you can mention Romario's name time and again. It is because of the 94 World Cup.
And because of the national team.
Yeah, it is because of the national team. Into we are branching near Doba near Doba, but some who said, we more, Omudino, Yaka Belania, Beladi, Wamobaya, Wamore, Wamo Milan. He played in Brazil, but people still talk about him.
But the current players, I mean, when you say, on my general, almost our players, we must say, these are players. I don't say, be our circle for more, a bit of Pelemo, almost to be brought to the highest level. omo mo bo kuroma ne de menye so so de obi akogina nkura we yanima omo de ombe bibia se wa so obi a yese obo kotoko mre bi atwam na dogomoro na de ne ko menye so se nkura ne hu ne
It
sa
is because from the word go. Ye ankasa ye de football na no. Okay. Ye nye hwe ya ye de beto ama the new ones na ombeba ne say they should follow. And only one. See ya bibia to.
kuroma me bo it's not about sika because akwa no is always catch him.
That's the point. That's
That is the whole. It's ohu obi. No, you look out to Kuroma. Because I feel like we see Wusu. Sabio or Yana Jumabi or but to Abu last house maybe. Was so good. So, but Jan anymore. Who is all you need? I don't respect all Seku for because it's also for Sky.
I don't think
Or respect that because it's a bit day. But or more what your name to Yanko in terms of Sikano. Cancer among some Jam Crowley. You quite remember one political between about one Kotoko player. O cancer no wetie ne kama bo santi o ba bi se akwa na e ka so mo de tete ball na mo boy na ye ba mo dwan yaso sa
Ken,
alata ball be na nkwa na mo
do you know why? Because Kotoko ni baby museum e wo me say Ken, me na so pele was catch enema. I don't think Carlos Alberto Torres was catch Daniel Alves. I don't think Jorginho is richer than Marcelo. But I'm saying that because the museum is there, opa, ye do be first akwa him. Enti Kotoko player ofri ebi ofri takwa until pokunti din da. The moment obeba no, the first time, o de ne Kotoko training and this is the museum of Kotoko. Obebo who start to obu start we yan. They what catch them say, we na bebo Kotoko DG Africa Cup see. We na DG League see. We na DG say Ken. Obi a o sabe. Okura dream papa bia was at to bia. One pick we obe pick say we elivu a legacy
this is for afcon na ya Cup of Nations legend and what was this here FA you are not saying no so
another question what we say ye players ne ko do say na ehu say ahodo say and na ehu say ye Cup of Nations na ye kokoji ye nanie
na he for quality man
na ho na timai etiken from the word go politically ayesika ya more players na musa bo na ye kwakobo na ke ye bo di nyama 1 billion e wasa so we so ayeti.
Before we have another appearance fee, your program be that day close to 45 minutes. It's our program no. On the day I'm Brazil for Copa America, I know Mumbo players in it on national television. And the last player on born in Richarlison, who shoot his Accra. And the Casasa boya, and then a man paying for $20,000. And the man player ya body didn't say or tournament.
I'm saying that one. Yeah, she say I get it say. Ye dey na select me bia mo
because sadly see answer na yaba ko afọ engineer hu here because players no pride because ye dey na ye bobo e won national television player bia na busuafo ehwe so what you say ono the reaction or the last player on board like what the reaction na busuafo nyina reaction say o ma boni din say on ko bi and yes on the best at you
ono na say go to Brazil dey tournament no he scored 90th minute penalty.
Yeah, fancy on me that's and no come orientation. Your players, you know. Yes, me most of us have just when you be. Great. Now you know where you have fetching we on.
They will know
teachers and no you sue iPhone.
There will say me ben with now.
I never make a Caribbean. Yeah. As I didn't know. I know try home.
I need to into the woman.
I'm going to put it in the
you know, fetching.
Now, I won't all Cassibia Mina, we are when you think.
Oh, Miss the part I say, just you know, I feel a more. But me share pictures now about Bontino. Many cameras somebody trying, phone somebody trying. I say, I'm a fat and change the issue.
If you are made and mission 2 days in Intra.
Oh, okay.
The money after
Okay.
Boss, my own master Alex, Aubergine, Jason.
My quality, quality now.
So,
if you can ever.
Yes, if you get London, you share Clayseries, and I share colors, and now share designer. Yes,
this is the hard design we are on be used forever.
And one of
because I design with
you. So,
but in some circle to go for JCB.
Oh, say any Yadika by and take your
Messin and Sam as a Kotoko JCB design.
ɛna me kyɛ sɛ no korɛ ha isa
What would be so?
kɔtɔkɔfoɔ
What
no
about kind of visa? What kind of visa?
am just ready bi
Red be design and Monsanto designer. As a movie straight from one.
na sɛ ombro de kɔtɔkɔ ntumi ayi ɔmo ntumi sua foro kɔtɔkɔ mu na kɔtɔkɔ ombro no bagya ɔmo yɛ te ombro no 24 1924 ɛna kɔtɔkɔ 35 nti yɛ de na yɛ ɛna hasofo ya started training a massive attendance here players about one ma
Massive attendance.
pa training pa
Why
ma and the players ni nyina so buy then the contractor would they assign for domination mu nyina and the contract who say person assign so mu nyina buy said we are done record them say omo ye be renew contract mu nyina ye ma ho na mpanifo no so wo say supporters no mo nya wota ye den ase the news so say players no mo de bi be ka ho amaye mo be experience players be ka credit aka ho junior just for 9 years so same case coach new 20 plus we nkwala no so Royal Oak for under 74 na mo ndra na you omo there Saturday and Sunday na you omo there because a year under 17 ne under 20 ni na na replica no so mpanifo de ba Santa Region Friday nti Friday no on ba talk akra na Saturday so omo toy pa and omo Sunday ko nti omo Sunday aba is a month for from Santi omo Sunday aba nti mo nya wotre because Jesus no mo de ba na asisi ya launch in the 10th of this month and fancy be and fancy 19 days in it ya to over 1000 our crown kwa over 1000
10,000.
6,500
Only 6,500. Greater crown come
ya to over 1000
over 1,000 greater.
the mo ba ha say no na ba within 4 hours mo ba chapter na hono na ya to be 100 and something.
Oh, okay.
And to mo sand akobata am focus to request nti mo de bi beba e mo bia nyum mo de be call other regions so nti mo nyina mo nye ready na inform because yes sister be say o free ojoso oba Friday no anye no sa kofi ade che no sa bai no sa oboto we ni two away to home too oba pa o for just a friend perpetual so nti no o say Jesus no wo hwe ma no so mo sha
Business
man na tare for
oh na say business man ko so no de wo hye no ho no ma obi ntumi nsuma ma won twa
me boss say also for news in ITC. Mentomasi. Mentomasi say mo ton Jesus ana.
I say blaster de yesika sami nti ye de Jesus say enye hwe so say blaster ba yesika sami kwa nti ye de Jesus anu na say ye wo
so mo ba Jesus kwa.
Oh say maka say ya start training ya just for so ho nti no ye boy ya tututu na ma nti say the team no e hye ni ye coach no so obon mo de hwe mpanifo no mo
say mo next match mo ne.
Say afeni ya say pre-season as nti ye wi a your boyfriend ma krom hakra e ba agbobi
Mo ne fo.
Oh say team Kinfesa wa ha Deportivo mu wa ha ye betuma bo as good crowd wa mo person mo ka Africa mo person mo so mo ho de ye betuma bo so nti ye
just say music and once media as international matches.
so we come
Oh yes it's really am fan mo bon
oh say no kure say ye be starting teams but ye team no wonya yi bia ni ase dada ndede abo ye bo international fan ni ase because ye mo bia nkosuso mu fan ye say Jason nti kura say ye just fan obi team back from Nigeria or so an kwala nyina be just fan bi teams ni bi academy for go mo pa Jason bi ahye nti 2 over 500 players oh bebre players no bebre no team na abo so kwa obi pe mbro hu so mbro England we say do was ashapa we say me ka say ma enya you we say mbro bi say me be ka say ye globalization na sikasem kotoko ni ha say na me ka kwa bi kasa ya no say kin akwa we o pe kodoko pi oro aye a pe kodoko pi oro aye un sa abam nti me ka say ma we ko Jesse asema me kan say nti players ni bi enu nti no mo person bo ba because obi ahu Jesse no say nti say obi mu dia wo hwa wo ka say alewa na dia go na aye bi bi ya wo ho no
so mo ko what to say
okay
so mo ko
ken
ya na ko
ken dia ko say
so ba ka Jesse
Jesse no na me tuma ka bi Jesse na me ka bi ken ewi ase bu
uri so ni ase bia
me ka dia won dey to
na supporters ni bi
enye de obi kan ene tio ken obi ye ni dia enye so o mi so ni dia na so ye to player na ba be je o ka say to
player
mi Jesse na say ye di be fia da
so bi mu so dia
ye di ba me minda enna me ka wa say me call central omo
ton Jesus
omo mama mi enu na ha se popin for say welcome ye Jesse di aba ye to no bi enya bi say mi say mi am ti mi di say me get mi nyanya bi eso beba
to promise be
promise de beba na me be prem
so
prem wa be chicken Jesse di obi eto bi nkrafo na to asante region Jesse beto yegusu eto na edi akọ na edi aba ken yem prepare ho enkofo bi ho de kwato ntia dabi ye nyen sa ye ye team omusu to place omusu di anu ene yesu eto yesu ye Jesse
ye ka Jesse omusu ka
Jesse wasem
me piano aka bia say omom contest ewu iberi ni enu bia man dan me da man kan say Malika Kuwa ye je omo kwan okay ameka bi say si abokoko no yaka no opu waburu ko na ato
wawu
so etino omo de omo nko emumu nka say boni patim no
David
ewu mumu akwa ebia na wona bi ana wo fa sibi e batimu Malika Kuwa o pitim mu anka say boni abatimu
go e coaching course for bitu abe coach
yesini omo ko eje omo kwa ye pebi ya justify na me de ya dia ha bi say serious we king who ya die bia endia manfo no ati enfanye ye okrum a ye ni wafafo bobo nom se a mama nkola we ni mashem ye kofa kola so na justify so am gay enkola na mo pa king mo da die nko
ndinka nkola na se ye no ya from kola
e bibi e bo musical youth no ye ka musical youth no ase de nkola
sa
enkola eni e be fa e tie coach no ye mo bia me se na dwen e ma me ka se coach ni se na obi ma na bia se sa na bi ye coach ya nya no no ane pe obae no mpefo abana wase o di team no ba bi o di kono e boa ye
so mo quick
enu ane be pa
enche nya na dom mo nya Africa he
oh yeah Africa e wo wan no
ba mo bia go TV
bia ye
sanche let's go to the koto bia mo ba Africa mo bia nya bia go TV so na mi tie mu a
omo piaro ye mu no ye mu place ye mu no
omo sa kwa na
omo place o mo say new one
omo sa kwa 9 August
and coach is new one
omo attention 9 August
9 August omo start to nya ade e no mebo omo ai
mera se so ko na mpatwum baba cham na no tse na no mpatwum se se o ya dey se se was a politics man
na ngom dada
sa
ajmi de so ya ngom dada
o ya politics
o ngom dada
mi sa na football na ko
me me delegate was na mun ta kan be MP
sa now a delegate
up to now me da so ye
sa
no ya kasa ya brother
sa football na ko for the
and true aga me yes a program no on course am guy
and concentrate on football
I be crazy me ni kwasa me ka but
you do who politics
e was say e ka asem kakra e na ade na ba be top boss player and a constitution party ni constitution
hold them in your
tia na sa was santa
boss player unim
politics
unim say ya candidate papa o Ghana ha former FA president question
that's right
asema wo kan dia
ayi tamaso
oh the boss mama 30 seconds
kan ni papa
I mean
nti ya ya kan nyina
Ghana ha nyina
asofo kase
ni ka fere o
dia ne
say ade no koba
koba de na obeke sanka bi wo say Ghana
when na ni papa boss asem no dey asem no titiano o ka na
wo say Ghana
former FA president
wo say Ghana ha
one na engine
Ghana ha nyina
ai when na ni papa
Ghana nyina
yes me some dey go na say
da bi yentimi bisa
yenti ameka san tie
da bi ma me ka
ai say
da bi asofo ni ayi man for wa
asem ni na ba ai one na ni papa
o ma mu ha nyina
asem ni na ba ah no de no watch ni dina temo kroma we very strong no watch last time me cousin me was there me cousin me there was me bisa na asem bi
sika go party bag on say ni papa
royal park okay lewo pass ya boss some those are na say ni to be agaza na say sani o mu say every member bi atwetwo akwakosi Ghana man panyin so say on approve budget man nyesa ba twetwo ni da ena me si da bi okaje me say yusu adwe
na kina ma 1 billion na mengo sanse o firi he
sani asema wakana na dia sani
samba era wow staff so oh boss mami wait boss brief oni wo tu kwan oba na suka meeting be ko so wow be ka say wow staff so dey be chiu
atu
yeah me say me ka don pay say so o say wow staff ya ni dia say enye sa agreement letter na ya de man say ya conclude bibia say ya ton team na mo sa o agency no agreement ni nie ekwa ya obefa so payment ni nie ene dey tell na o so buy payment ene dey two paper so sa paper no wo na e ho nche no ya for $70,000 and talking me catch no me nsem do wana mbese me di
agency dey
team no nya ne dia o ka team no asem kura bi mo benya asem
o kura o so betu atu
oh so
o so betu
aha o ba e san the kai Me can't say. No original documents on the on the phone. No for social media.
Na se ba korea.
We are the dean. Okay. Lionels so hey. Lionels. Nana, so you boko.
Boko.
Okay. And the rofu bi o.
Nana enye boko so boko so nye boko sa.
Sir.
Ai nana. Also funa se mo kan move asem ka ho pa.
I say,
Nana, no kunya mi ni also was mo kan yi mum die nkum. Wo dia santempo atempa. E wo se nana ni nasi fom. E bi asem mo kan no
se bia wona yi o.
Utimi ehu.
Bia wona.
Se wo ye ya se me, wo wa da santini ba. Ne se jo
Infino.
o se finu nana.
Asantini ba bi so ayo bi kama. Obi so ayo bi bo na nti.
O nana da bi o be so gidi am o yun so edi na be so gidi.
Infino. Ka bro.
Nana wo ka fun bi se. Ne ye president. Se yi e ma mi ni bi ko wi ankola nan. Mi ko pie ho so fula na no so ma ko pie so.
Na chamo so.
Okay. Wo ma to mi nu na ka mi nu.
Mo to
mi nu. Na ka mi nu. E ma no so mo
wa wo dey anto dey wa ye.
We dey mi ka say tia ma ne ma no. Would you say yes? Me the chimpanzee be si wona me de.
Kunkum face.
Ani ase ketwa. Hey!
Se o
E ma o ti kola akwa akoto o mu pa ohu o manimu a.
Hey, hu a untimi.
Awurade nyakopon.
Awusha nhwe.
Nana awurade. Nana wo dey go si na brofo ho.
Se oni mo hu o bo se ene wadwene eko.
Sanity
Oni mo hu a emodu wadwene no.
Obi awu ni papa atim no busu me nkuru wo dey wo pa ni wo be bia no. Wakoto. Sika mi ama kwan.
Yes ka bia so.
Uko kushim kwa bia bia
Nto so ho nkoton. Kola na akwa.
Se ba ya to mi na kaminu. Awurade yakobo.
Lionels.
Nana ne brofo ho no mo owura makra. Occupation hazard.
Occupation hazard.
I was like
occupation hazard.
Occupation hazard.
And it's in the
oh, I said a simple crowd. Occupation hazard.
Occupation hazard.
Any hazard you bobo.
Me ka so no.
Occupation hazard, that's occupational hazard.
Occupation hazard.
Okay, such as it.
Okay, well. Ahomasonya.
Ahomasonya.